How to buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy Ethereum on Trust Wallet in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Trust Wallet app like this. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to buy the Ethereum, you have just to click on buy here, and now you will find Ethereum. Click on it and then choose the amount of money that you want to spend on this crypto coin. Now if you want to spend, for example, 200, you can write it, or even 2000, and then click next, and it will take you to the website that is on the third party, and then you can just select the country, that your country from here, like Canada for example, and then click proceed total, and you will pay it from your credit card or wherever. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.